This is a step-by-step tutorial on how I created this spiderweb CGI scene in Blender. In the last CGI tutorial I uploaded, we created this CGI scene here using a football jersey. Links to this and other CGI tutorials in the description. Let's get into our video for today. I will be using Camera Tracker add-on for this tutorial. Link in the description. You can use the default Blender tracking system to follow along. Videos on that in the description as well. Installing the add-on is same as installing other Blender add-ons. Image from video imports your video footage. This converts your video into an image sequence in a folder. Alpha to mask out moving objects. Enable zoom and shake if your video has that. Lastly, enable CUDA for faster rendering. Let's import our video. As you can see, this has been converted to an image sequence. Enable Underdistort and Densify to create a scene dense cloud and a mesh point cloud. Let's set features to 4000. Now hit Run Tracker. This takes a few minutes to complete. Upon completion, you will have this mesh point cloud and a camera. It's facing upwards. Let's add an empty and parent everything to it so we can position the scene properly. Let's switch to Material Preview to see how things are looking. As you can see, it has created something close to what we have from our original video. Let's add an object to the scene and check if our tracking is working fine. Works perfectly. Next, let's bring in the truck 3D model. Ctrl+C copy. Ctrl+V paste. Adjusting the position of the truck. This position works for me. For our cobweb, we will be using this free cobweb generator by Tim Mason. After downloading, you will get this Blender file here. To install it, go to File and click on Append. Locate the file you downloaded. Open it and click on Collection and select Cobweb Generator. We can find its properties in the Modifier Properties panel. Before we do anything, we need to put all our objects that the cobweb will be applied on into a collection. Switch to Edit mode, select this pencil. Enable Surface in the Tools section so we can draw out on surfaces. These values here work for me. You can play around with them to see which works best for you. Now let's draw out our cobwebs. Let's hide our scene dense cloud and point cloud and import our video. We need to mask out the truck so it appears to be behind the building. I will be doing a rough block out of the building. We'll turn that into a shadow catcher later on. Add a plane to act as a shadow catcher so the truck and cobweb shadow can cast onto it. Next, add an HDRI to the scene. You can get free HDRIs from Polyhaven. Link in the description. Switch to cycles. Let's make our cubes and plane a shadow catcher. Let's bring back the track scene. Adjusting the lighting of my HDRI. Give our plane and cube a new material to control the intensity of the shadow by reducing the alpha. This looks good to me. We can proceed to rendering. First, let's do a test render. Oops, I forget to turn off the point cloud. Let's do that and render again. Looks good to me. Let's delete the extended cobwebs. Convert to mesh and delete them in edit mode. There you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next one.